What is up, y'all? I got extremely exciting, important news for you guys regarding Chainlink. As you guys can tell, I'm excited. You should be exciting. You should be excited. Chainlink is gonna do amazing things. I think I could be wrong in this next year, and it's currently breaking out bullishly. So before I delve into this some more, I really want to ask you guys if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads, guys. Chainlink is breaking out bullish. This is so significant in regards to what Chainlink is doing here. We made a higher high. We broke resistance. Now, we're currently hovering around resistance, but the fact that we made a higher high past the previous peak is extremely bullish. Guys, Chainlink was a leader in the space back in August, back when alts were pumping. Chainlink led the space in the altcoin market, led the rally in August, led the pump in August. I think the pump in August was just the first taste of what's to come here in the near future. Sorry if the music's too loud there, guys. I'm just hyped. I'm hyped because I got a bag of Chainlink. I'm very bullish on the long-term prospect of Chainlink. I think Chainlink's going to do amazing throughout the course of this next bull run. And we're doing very, very exciting stuff. Just to delve into some technical analysis, guys. So as we can see here, mid-August we had a peak with Chainlink, and then we've been crashing ever since. Notably, very interestingly, Chainlink broke out of this month-long descending triangle here. This breakout was extremely tiny. Look how long this lasted, guys, and we broke out. This breakout here was the beginning of a new bull trend. We're making higher lows, higher highs. We broke above. We made a higher high past the previous significant peak. Now, we're currently up against significant resistance at the 1320. But once we get past the 1350, guys, $13.50, once we could hold that, flip that into support confidently for an extended period of time, whoo, are we going to take off, guys? Look, Chainlink is above our 200 and 100 EMA on the 4-hour. Guys, this is it. This is it, guys. I don't know how I can do you guys enough justice. The 200 EMA on the 4-hour is so telling. Like, look at this, guys. When we went below the 200 here on the 4-hour, look how long what the price was under for. And we've now been peaking above. We've been peaking above, and now it looks like we're breaking out definitively above. We made a higher high. We're testing resistance here. Bitcoin is breaking out. Ethereum is breaking out as well. Guys, Chainlink is going to surprise everyone this next year. And in the near future, Chainlink looks extremely bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, breaking out of previous resistance. All of this looks bullish to me. All of this. We're getting descending volume. Okay, so that's potentially, it's bearish. But the fact that we're above our 100 and 200, 100 and 200, the 20, the 50, we're above all our EMA, guys, on the 4-hour. Oh, my God. Let's see what the 1 day is looking. Oh, come on. We're above the 100 on the daily. This is bullish, guys. Chainlink is very bullish. I'm excited here. I got a bag of Chainlink. I think Chainlink's a great project. I think it's going to do amazing for the courses next year, especially with Ethereum 2.0 coming out December 1st. I think Chainlink is going to do very well. If Ethereum does well, I think Ethereum's going to do very well. So, I just want to let you guys know, I think Chainlink's looking very bullish here in the near future. Not financial advice. We can always have a pullback. Lots of things could change. If the stock market decides to crash tomorrow, it's going to affect Bitcoin. That's going to affect Ethereum. That's going to affect Chainlink. It's going to affect all the other altcoins. So this is not a guarantee, guys. I just make this video to say this is looking good. This is looking good. We're above our EMAs. All this price action looks very bullish, making higher highs. We're testing resistance right now, so we'll see what happens. But it's looking good, guys. Looking good. Now, before I end this video, I hope you guys aren't getting tired of me talking about GSX. It's just, the sale's almost done, so that's why I'm talking about it at the end of the videos. So guys, I want to take the opportunity to talk about GSX. It's this brand new cryptocurrency that I participated in their token sale. GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mine operations. Their whole claim is that half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually back into cryptocurrency itself. Here we can see their timelines. I'll leave a link to their website, their white paper. Check all that out. Some of the main selling points. They're offering a 59% selling bonus to work on a Binance listing. They offer yearly dividends. They're offering 10 billion coins for sale. 50% of those that aren't sold will be burned. So those are some of the main selling points. What I see as the biggest risk with GSX is I don't know how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mine operations. They could be running them well. They may not be. So that's a risk. That's what I see as the largest risk. Personally, this fell into my risk tolerances, so I invested in it. I also practice proper portfolio management, so I only invested what I was willing to lose. My portfolio is diversified. I encourage you guys to do the same. Understand your risk tolerances, practice portfolio diversification, practice proper risk management. Don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. I want to encourage you guys to do all those things and do your own research. If you do your own research and you like this idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency and you decide you want to participate, I invite you to check down in the description. There's a link where it says 5% sign-up bonus. If you sign up for GSX using that link, you will get a 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a commission off that. So I want to make that very clear. This is almost like a sponsorship. So yeah, guys, there's 2 days left for this. We'll see how this goes, y'all. Okay, I think I'll wrap it up there. Take care.